everyone. Today I'm going to tell you what all to make for a delicious chocolate pancake. First, take one pack of ragi flour and put it in a bowl. Mix it well. Then take 2 eggs and then put all the yellow things and from the egg, and also after that you mix it properly until the whole flour becomes brown. After that, make some little buttermilk, put it in this and mix it. Put very little, some buttermilk, so that it doesn't become very watery, because if it becomes very watery, it'll become too patla for the pan to put it. So put little bit and mix properly. After that, put a pinch of little salt, and after that you mix it properly, and then put little more buttermilk and put it. So after that, put little 2 spoons of sugar, taste it well and mix it again. So when your mixing is done, you should see if any of your bubbles have come. If your bubbles have come, you should make it be on like that for some 5 minutes. After that, you go to the kitchen, stir it again, and then you
Chef, look at the camera also.
And also after that, I will have to take one large spoon and make the spoon get full of the batter, and when the batter is ready to get on, then put it in the pan and put it in one place. Don't worry, it will not just be in one place, it will spread around, and make sure it doesn't be too much. So after that, when so much of bubbles come, just do like this, touch it a little bit. If it's sticking, do not do, but when it's not sticking and you see so much of bubbles, you flip it over, and after that, take one plate and get ready for it. You just do like this, check if it's ready. If it's ready, the bubbles are ready, flip it over into the plate and it's ready. But not just that much, you should put some little peanut butter and also some Hershey's spread like this. Now I finished putting my peanut butter. Now I will put the Hershey's spreads. Just press it too much, just put it like this. Yeah, like this. So I will just show you how the spoon is for getting the plan. I will just cut in 1 second. Okay, so I've done all the things. So now I will just cut it with one knife and properly. Now with this knife, sharp knife, one round knife, do it properly. After that, flip it like this. The pancakes ready. Okay, that's all for the news today. Okay, bye.